So we'll continue the same algorithm, that is first in first out page replacement algorithm. And in a previous lecture we have seen the reference string. We have considered the reference string with the 3 frames, and we have implemented the page replacement algorithm by using first in first out page replacement algorithm. The which page inserted first, that is going to be removed or replaced first. So now we are going to implement the same reference string with a 4 number of frames. Means we are going to bring 4 pages can be bring into a memory at a time per process. So now we'll start with begin with the 7 first reference page of the reference string, that is what here 7. So now there is a free frame. So this is a free frame. No, there is no requirement of page replacement. Simply bring that page into the memory. Next, consider sequence is 0. Now again there is a free frames available. Simply what you can do, load or bring into the memory. Next, one page number or a page reference string is 1. So what you do, simply again load that page into the memory and take another example, another sequence, that is 2, which is another sequence here 2. So again load that page into the memory. 7 0 1 2. So followed by 7 0 1 2, there is another sequence called as a 0. Now verify this page is there already in the memory or not. Yes, it is there in the memory. There is no need of page replacement, or there is no page fault. We'll go to the next sequence. The next sequence is 3. Now this page reference is not in the memory. There is a page fault. And now verify, is there any free frames? No free frames are there. Now which page is inserted first or loaded into the bring into the memory first? That is 7 is going to be replaced here, and the remaining pages are as it is in the memory. So next sequence is what here? Next sequence is 0. Verify the page, it is there already in the memory. Again there is a no page fault. Take a next sequence 4. Verify the page, there is a no physical memory, there is a no page number 4. Now there is a page fault arrives and there is a no free frames. The next page which is inserted, 0 is inserted, that is going to be removed with a that will be replaced and loaded page number 4. And go to the next sequence 2. It is there already in the memory, there is a no page fault. Go to the next sequence 3, and this is also there in the memory, there is a no page faults. Go to the next sequence 0. It is not there in the memory. Again you replace that page, which is a victim page here. The next is 1 is a victim page, that is going to be replaced, swapped out, and 0 is swapped in, and 2 will be kept as it is. 3 4 2 will be kept as it is. And next, which is the next reference string here? 3. So 3 is also already there in the memory. Go to the next sequence 2. It is also there in the memory. Go to the next sequence 1. It is not there in the memory. Simply what you do, so which page you are replacing now? The page number 2 is going to be replaced with the which page number here? 1. So go to the next sequence 2. It is not there in the memory. Simply what you do here, so which page you are replacing now? Page number 3 is a victim, that is going to replace with a new page called as a 2, and 4 0 1 are as it is in the memory. Go to the next sequence 0. There is a page, no page fault. 1, that is also there in the memory, there is a no page fault. Go to the next sequence 7. It is not there in the memory. You replace the new page, that is 7. Which page you are replacing here now? Page number 4 is replaced here, and the 2 will be as it is. 4 will be replaced with a 7. 0 and 1 will be as it is. Again, which page you are referencing? 0. It is there. There is a no page fault. 1, that is there. There is a no page fault. Now count the number of page faults. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 here. 10 page faults. So you consider an example with a reference string 1 2 3 4 1 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 and try to apply the first in first out page replacing by considering the number of frames is equal to 3 and 4. You try to solve this and here what is going to happen with the first in first algorithm. So adding a more frames, what is going to happen here? Adding more frames can cause more page faults here. So if you add a more frames to the physical memory, it will go on causing the more page faults. This method we are going to call it as a Ballades anomaly. This is called as what? Ballades anomaly. This is a problem with what? First in first out algorithm. So now we'll go to the, once you got it, how to use and how to run the algorithm and how to compute the page faults in the first in first out page replacement algorithm. We'll go to the next page replacement algorithm, that is called as optimal page replacement algorithm. The second method, optimal page replacement. Which page we are going to implement? Optimal page replacement. So as we have seen the first in first out algorithm, there is a problem called as Ballades algorithm or a Ballades anomaly. So as you increase the number of, or as you add more frames, causes the more page faults. So to overcome this problem, we are going to use the next algorithm, that is going to be called as a optimal page replacement algorithm. So here it is a best algorithm that is going to require minimum number of page faults here. Compared to all the algorithms, this is a better algorithm that is going to cause or produce the less number of page faults or minimum number of page faults. That's why sometimes it is also called as what? Optimal page replacement algorithm or minimal page replacement algorithm.